you just finished a 40-hour Udemy course. You close the page, open your IDE, only to realize that you're not even able to write a simple function. Congratulations, you're stuck in tutorial hell. So how do you get out of it and finally start writing code without looking everything up on the internet? Stop just watching tutorials. I mean, it's really that simple. If you want to learn Java, you should practice after every single thing you learn. Let's say you just learned what variables are. Well, go out, create some variables and just print them out. Did you learn about classes? Go write some basic classes and create objects from them. You're not supposed to learn the entire Java ecosystem before writing a single line of code. You can just start building with the information you currently have. And it's completely okay to Google stuff you don't know. The more challenges you encounter, the more you actually learn. Playing around with the basics is good, but you should also be able to apply them to a real project. So aside from learning, you should think of a project you're genuinely interested in. A discard bot, for example, or a simple to-do list app to track your daily chores. Obviously, you'll have no idea how to build it at first, and that's completely normal. No one does when they're just starting out. That's why you should challenge yourself and start working on something that looks hard right now. You will spend hours googling stuff, trying to understand and implement features, and maybe even breaking a monitor or two, but after spending a couple of days on it, you'll realize it's a piece of cake and you can write it without even touching Google. The problem with tutorials is that the thinking process is entirely delegated to the person recording the video. You're not practicing, you're just repeating after them without doing the hardest part, the actual problem solving. And don't be scared of getting errors. I know it looks terrifying when your screen is covered in red text written in Minecraft enchanting table language, but if you look closely, those logs usually explain the problem in rather simple words. Once you solve an error for the first time, the next time it pops up, you'll look at it and know immediately where to look and how to fix it. To make this process easier, you should apply what I call the 30-minute rule. When you're building your project and you get stuck on a feature or a weird error, do not rush to YouTube or ChatGPT for the instant answer. Spend exactly 30 minutes fighting it. Read the error log, try to change lines of code, use print statements to see what your variables are actually doing, and look up specific questions on Stack Overflow. If you solve it within those 30 minutes, your brain gets a massive dopamine hit and you will never forget that solution. If you're still completely stuck after 30 minutes, only then are you allowed to look for outside help or ask the AI to explain the concept. Now as you start building your own project, you'll probably face a new kind of anxiety, the fear that the code you write is completely garbage. And I'm sorry to say this, but since you're just escaping tutorial hell, it probably is. But that's exactly why you should check out CodeRabbit, the sponsor of today's video. CodeRabbit acts as your own private 24/7 senior mentor. All you have to do is push your project to GitHub and CodeRabbit will instantly review your code in the background. It doesn't just catch hidden logic bugs or security flaws before they crash your app. It actually leaves detailed human-like reviews directly on your lines of code. It's like having a senior developer guiding you through your mistakes, but completely in private, so you can build your confidence and learn 10 times faster without any judgment. So stop copying videos blindly and click the link in the description below to try CodeRabbit for free.